Yes, and I'm smelling the sweet in the air. Time to put a sweet ending on the show as we usually do. And I have a cake artist slash chef. He's a chef that has come out of Crave from down south in South Trinidad. And his name is Anslem Allette. And he is now doing his own thing, sifted palette, he calls himself. My brother, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Good. So you're doing cake donuts for us.
Yeah.
Cake donuts. So now when I hear cake donuts, I know that it's just not an ordinary donut.
No, it's not really. It's just basically, it has the cake texture.
Right.
But at the same time, has some firmness like a donut.
I prefer those. Do you believe I prefer those?
Yeah, because it's nice and crusty on the outside, but soft on the inside.
Soft on the inside. Yeah, I like those. All right, so show us. It's simple to make.
Yeah, it's very simple. So in this bowl right here, we have flour and sugar already, right? What we're gonna add to this basically is add some baking powder.
Is that regular sugar?
No, that's caster sugar.
So that's a Regal caster sugar.
Yes.
What's the difference between Regal caster sugar and regular
The difference
sugar?
between the Regal caster sugar, it's a slash between regular granulated sugar and powdered sugar, but it also dissolves faster in the batter than compared to granulated sugar. Right? So we have the dry ingredients here. We're gonna add some spices here. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, right? And we're gonna add some nutmeg. We're gonna mix that together. Just to incorporate. Right, so now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. We have 3/4 cups of milk.
That's regular milk.
Yeah, regular milk. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna mix together. And we're gonna pour the wet into the middle. Stir it until it incorporates. But the trick with this also is that you don't want to overmix the mixture. You're gonna fold in with the spatula, we don't overmix.
It smells so good already. Like I'm smelling all the spices you put in there already.
Right, and we set aside. So we have the butter here going to rest for 10 minutes, right? We're gonna put it in a piping bag and pipe into a greased baking donut tray. We're gonna fill it 3/4 way up, not over full in the pan, right? So it wouldn't overflow when it goes into the oven.
Because that's gonna rise.
Yeah, and then it's gonna bubble all over.
Right.
Right? And we're gonna place this in your preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes.
So time to decorate now.
Yeah.
And we have ones that are freshly done.
Yeah.
So you're decorating for us.
Okay, so right now we have some white chocolate ganache, some salted caramel, and also chocolate ganache. Right, so we're gonna top. We also have the toppings here as well. We have small chocolate chips, pecan nuts, sprinkles for the kids, and my chocolate.
Right.
This one we're gonna do.
Oh, it's just like that?
Yeah.
You just
Pecan.
dipping?
Yeah. Pecan caramel.
And those are the Regal nuts, the Regal pecans.
Yeah. Also, chocolate ganache. Shake off the excess. Put some white chocolate on top of those.
So Anselm, I want to thank you very much. No, that looks good, but I am seeing something here that I didn't recognize you didn't do there. So I know you brought this for me. So this is a bacon donut. So once you know which one I would like. So I want to take a bite into this one. And it's so easy to make, guys. You saw how easy Anselm pulled together these cake donuts. You could try this at home. He is of a sifted palette, and all this loveliness you're seeing in front of me, he creates. So check him out on social media.
Yeah.
Sifted palette. Bacon donuts for me to close things off today. Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Regal Products.